If you are in the YouTube affiliate shopping program, you may have a tagging violation on products that you were tagged in one of your videos. Well, my name is Ileane Smith, and this bothered me just as it has bothered you. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. Notice I just found the video that has the tagging violation. We're going to go in here and edit the video. All right, I want you to scroll down. This is where you'll see that little exclamation point, the products. Now, the problem with this, these tag products, it says not found, but we can't delete them. And so the reason why they're not found, maybe the vendor or the retailer no longer has the product. It's nothing that you did wrong. All right. So this case, we're just going to, in order to fix this, I'm going to say that again. In order to fix this, we're just going to add a product. Doesn't matter. The product may or may not even be in this video, but we're going to tag this product. All right. Just going to add it there. See how now it says one tagged product. All right, we're going to save it, but don't go anywhere. Stay right on this page, because now what you're going to do is you're going to hit the three dots. I'm sorry. Now you're going to hit on the edit products pencil, and you're going to go in here and you're going to delete it. There you have it. Problem solved. Let's save that. Let's go back over here. Let's refresh. And as you can see, tagging violations are all cleared out. I'm your girl, Ileane Smith. Please subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay beautiful.